welcome to Da Nang, welcome to beautiful Kalakala Beach Club here. This is how it looks right now. It is a very nice day again, sunny, hot, like every single day actually. We're gonna walk now a little bit on the beach and trying to hide from the sun. Look at this, they have cakes now here and a coffee machine. Very interesting. At the beginning of the Kalakala, they did not have any coffee back then, but now they have. And the good thing about Kalakala here is it's actually nice. The sound is not too loud. Because I'm also here with my middle-aged man friend.
Yeah, exactly. 47.
47, and he cannot handle the loud music. I'm the same, guys. I'm the same. I don't want to have loud music. But at this time, I think after 4 p.m. they make it louder. My God, it's so hot. Woo. We're gonna go now meeting David, our Australian friend, and having a English breakfast.
Our handsome legendary friend from Australia.
Exactly. Our old rusty friend. Oh, rusty blokes. Oh, God. Whew, we gotta go.
He's more often in the night scene.
Nightlife, yeah.
Us.
Exactly. I mean, he's younger than us. He's dancing like a young maniac. He's, drinking like an Aussie, what he is. But we're gonna walk now. No one is stopping here. This is what I can't wait to go to Germany, and then I will see a green light or a zebra stripes and people will stop. I probably will not be able to handle it. Right?
Because of your expectations?
Yeah.
That's law and order.
Law and order. We will see. Who knows? I haven't been there for a long time. Random people streaming here on the street. Whew. Marcus, we still have to do one thing we never did.
Yeah.
We have to take the bus to Hoi An.
Yeah.
Our German people already neglect us because we don't do this.
Yeah, I know that.
Shame on our German soul. Never took the public transport here.
Maybe it's not worth it.
Of course it's not worth it. But it would be worth for a video.
But we failed. I don't know how many times you failed.
Yeah, we're just standing around and waiting and the bus is never coming. It's almost like German train system.
Yeah, on point.
I would love to go to Japan one day and then just take the train. And like the train has to come at 1:30 p.m. and it comes in 1:30 p.m. I would love to see that. Never experienced this in my life. This is An Thuong 1.
I can tell you, when I was younger, like 15, 16, the train was very on point.
Really?
Yeah. But
Huh.
now it's more a gamble, what the people say.
Interesting. But to be honest, I haven't taken any train that much. I usually drive car in Germany. I think in Germans we are car driving people. Or walking, I don't know. No, I think
Walking or driving.
walking or driving. Depends where you are. I remember I had a car when I was living in the city center. It was just parked in a big parking close to the mall in a parking parking garage. And the funny thing is, I always tricked the system. I was a criminal in that case because, you know, it's €4 per day to park there.
Yes.
But if you lose your ticket, it's €13.
Yes.
So when I stayed there for 3 weeks,
Yeah.
I just said, hey, I lost my ticket, and then they gave me another ticket for €13. So essentially it was a very cheap stay.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you have a criminal energy.
Yep.
Jesus Christ.
I know. I think this was one of the few things I did wrong. But I think it's not that bad. Who charges €4 per parking per night? Ah, maybe in America it's even worse.
I think €4 per day is so cheap.
Yeah, maybe it was cheap, but it was normal back then. I was 22 or something. But 22, how long is it ago? 14 years ago.
I would say that now it's probably €2 an hour.
But also it depends on what kind of size of city it is, right? I'm from a small town, small city. Small and safe city. Look at this beautiful Maybach. Let's walk here. 92. I think that's Guangnam. Or? Not sure. But there's a real Maybach, guys.
What is this? Is it insects?
I think it's insects, yeah. Beautiful Maybach. A Land Cruiser from Ho Chi Minh City. And that's the problem here at the moment. All Vietnamese families drive with the car here and drive around with cars at the moment. And that's why there's such a big traffic jam everywhere. Also, we have a lot of taxis at the moment here too. I feel like more and more taxis are coming. And more taxi drivers that are not from Da Nang, actually. They are from the provinces around Da Nang. Usually Hoi An and further away. Because,
yes, awful. Sometimes you sit in the car with the cab driver and he don't know where to drive. You already know where he has to
yes,
go.
That's why you need to learn the words. Di-dang, di-dang. Straight, straight. But I only know this one word, di-dang.
Di-dang.
This is what other Xan SM, Green SM driver taught me during the driving. He taught me left, right, straight. But to me, I'm straight. No right wing, no left wing, I'm straight, guys. Always straight ahead. So, di-dang, di-dang. But sometimes you end in somewhere else. Maybe I'm ending in Hanoi. I always say di-dang, di-dang. But yeah, I think this is what you have to learn now. Straight, left and right. And then you can actually tell the drivers quicker. Because one thing is better in Grab. Now I know what it is. So Green SM, the VinFast app, is super bad with navigation. Super bad. It's always wrong. They have old maps in there. And Grab has it all fresh and nice. And also the Grab app tells the Grab driver quicker and more efficient where to drive. With Green SM, they don't know, and then it's very slow. Because they essentially don't know the neighborhoods, you know. I know all the neighborhoods. I don't need a navigation in Da Nang. So the main streets, I know the names, and then it just depends what is close by. But also that's why I walk around a lot. That's why I know them all. Woo! We gotta go. The shade. So Germany just went off the World Cup. Now we're all Moroccans, guys. Moroccans won today. There's so many here. I saw them all on the stories. Oh my God. Whew. Hi. Maybe we just go over. My God. It's not that fun to walking around at that time of the day. Lunchtime, you better be indoors. And I'm super happy the mall is opening up now. And I will definitely make a mall video, guys. Whew. Oh.
Even the pickleball court has a lunch.
Oh wow, they're closing down? Wow.
1 hour.
Okay. Interesting.
They need their nap.
Yeah. I don't think there are many people working there, right? Just one? The law and order has left the chat. Do you see this? Amaron is parking there again. Now you have to go on the street again because of one person. Oh, look at this. A German clearing the way. Thank you so much, Marcus. The streets are super busy at the moment, so it's very important to walk on the pavement. There's so many accidents happening every single day. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. What do you have to say? So, like and subscribe?
Yeah, like and subscribe always to this channel.
All right.
Best channel.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.